This is the continuation of the lesson for class 8th for the subject of chemistry, topic reduction, which is covered in chapter 6, study of the first element, hydrogen. So students, in this video, second video, we will discuss the next topic of this chapter, which is reduction, and it is also very important topics. Kindly may listen carefully. So let us start with this topic. In this electronic concept, reduction is defined as a process in which an atom or an ion gains electrons. Right? In oxidation, there was the losing of electrons. In the reduction, there will a gain of electrons. As you can see, the Cu2 positive will gain 2 electron and become Cu. Right? So reduction is also defined as a chemical process. So it also involves many processes, as the oxidation was assumed. So we will discuss the first process, which is the removal of oxygen. So in this reaction, whenever the oxide react with element, it will give metal. For example, CuO, which is a copper oxide, on reacting with hydrogen will give Cu plus H2O. Similarly, ZnO, zinc oxide, on reacting with carbon will give zinc plus Co. So here in this reaction, students, copper 2 oxide, which is CuO, and zinc 2 oxide, which is ZnO, are reduced to copper and zinc. CuO will reduce to copper, and ZnO, which is a zinc 2 oxide, are reduced to zinc. Okay? By losing oxygen. Right? Now move on the second process, which is the addition of electropositive ion. So in this reaction, students, mercuric chloride is reduced to mercurous chloride by gain of electropositive ion Hg positive. Right? Now move on the third process, which is the addition of hydrogen. So here, chlorine is reduced to hydrogen chloride by gain of hydrogen, as you can see in this reaction. Now move on the fourth process, which is the removal of electronegative ion. In this reaction over here, ferric chloride is reduced to ferrous chloride, as you can see already, by loss of electronegative ion Cl negative. Right? Now we will discuss the reducing agent. So students, let us start. A reducing agent is one that reduces other substances either by providing electrons or by providing hydrogen or an electropositive ion, or by removing oxygen or an electronegative ion. Right? Some examples of reducing agents are, it is also involves the form which is solid, liquid, gaseous. So in solid state, the examples are carbon metal like zinc, aluminium, copper and sodium, stannous chloride, glucose, etc. These all are the examples of reducing agent which is in the form of solid state. Right? Now in liquid state, hydrogen peroxide, hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, etc. And in gaseous state, hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, etc. So students, now I will ask you a very short question. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. Right? The questions are, question number 1, give 2 example of oxidizing agent. Question number 2, the process in which an atom or an ion gain electrons is known as dash, which is fill in the blank. You have to fill the answer in the blank, right? Now move on. The last question, number 3, is name 2 reducing agents which is present in gaseous form. So students, now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is manganese dioxide, potassium permanganate. And answer number 2 is reduction. And the last answer number 3 is hydrogen sulfide and carbon monoxide. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today. You all are required to listen the audio again and revise all the topics which we have done today. Thank you and have a nice day.